Welcome back to Talkin' Winter Ops. I'm Rick Nelson, and I'll be your host for the 2025 National Winter Maintenance and Road Weather Briefing Series. This is our opportunity to catch up with our partners in winter maintenance and road weather to find out what they've been working on this past year and what they're planning for the future. These briefings are a way to see if their work might fit into your operation. But before we get started, it's important to give a shout out to the briefing sponsors, starting with the AASHTO Winter Weather Management Technical Service Program, who sponsors Talkin' Winter Ops. Their parent AASHTO committee, the Committee on Maintenance, and their close ties with the Maintenance Operations Technical Working Group, and of course the state DOTs, whose yearly contribution to the Winter Weather Management Technical Service Program make all this possible. So sit back and listen in on this winter maintenance and road weather briefing. Is Chair Brad Darr, State Maintenance Engineer for the North Dakota Department of Transportation.
Hello, Rick. I'm here to give the AASHTO Winter Weather Management Technical Service Program update for the 6 National Winter Maintenance and Road Weather Briefings. Rick, thank you for your efforts with the briefings and all the work put into making this TSP a success. Just first a reminder, AASHTO went through a rebranding effort 2 years ago to clearly show the relationships between committees, technical service programs, and solution products that have developed and evolved over the years. You'll remember that the programs were rebranded so that they reflect their central mission, like the transformation of SICOP to winter weather management, the EMTSP to equipment, and TSP2 to preservation. The 4 principal tenets of the Winter Operations Mission stems from our original charter from the AASHTO Board of Directors in 1993 when the TSP was created. We have spent a fair amount of time and energy in the promotion and sharing of information on winter maintenance and road weather, along with leveraging groups to sponsor research important to our members. The AASHTO Committee on Maintenance is the parent committee for the Winter Weather Management TSP. We work closely with Maintenance Operations Technical Working Group. We worked with the AASHTO Committee on Maintenance last July on our triennial review and have been approved to continue for the 3 years. The Technical Service Program has an annual contribution of $4,000. With AASHTO taking on administrative tasks, we've worked with them on whether the contribution is still appropriate, and it will stay the same for now. Our steering committee is comprised of representation from each AASHTO region, along with the liaisons from the principal organizations operating in the winter maintenance and road weather arena. We do have a few vacancies on the AASHTO side if anybody's interested. We also have a close relationship with the Clear Roads and Aurora Pooled Fund Studies and are working with them on a joint meeting. We are able to leverage practical research through them, and the Committee on Maintenance can focus on opportunities for research through NCHRP. And we're planning a workshop, and we'll have a winter operations breakfast at the AASHTO meeting this July to assist in refining our focus areas. Winter operations continues undergoing a transformation as we expanded our structure to recognize the important role road weather plays in providing a sustainable, resilient transportation network during severe weather events. We'll have a road weather task force to complement the winter maintenance task force. The winter maintenance task force is closely aligned with TRB winter maintenance and Clear Roads, while the road weather task force is aligned with Aurora. We're also finishing the effort to develop consensus descriptions of materials and methods utilized in road weather and winter maintenance through the establishment of a terminology task force. We've drawn on the vast experience of those working in winter maintenance and road weather through members from the various groups and organizations. Our steering committee member representing AASHTO, Joe Thompson, is chairing the task force and providing leadership and doing an awesome job at that effort. Thank you, Joe. Winter Weather Management created an index of organizations that operate within the winter maintenance road weather space. This index provides the name and a brief description of the group and a website link to help folks find those with similar interests or who might benefit from collaboration. This index is one of the products of the Terminology Task Force along with the Winter Operations Dictionary. All of this can be searched through the wiki on the webpage. Winter Weather Management also works with Rick on Talkin' Winter Ops, which is a collection of short conversations with experts on a wide variety of topics, hopefully to get you interested in that information. It's in Season 8 and has posted numerous episodes on topics ranging from the New Hampshire's Green Snow Probe program, machine learning for determining pavement conditions, hybrid snow plows, and the importance of RWIS information, as well as the latest on the Maintenance Leadership Academy. All these items can be found on Talkin' Winter Ops website for now. Winter Operations has been involved in encouraging research through the AASHTO Committee and TRB. Here are some projects that Winter Weather Management has been engaged in lately. The NCHRP 6-19 will produce a guide for non-chemical snow removal operations, all things that are not related to treating the road with chemicals. This will be an AASHTO guide. The NCHRP Snow and Ice Performance Measure Project Implementation Project is complete and the report is being written. The Snow and Ice Guide NCHRP 889 was approved by the Committee on Maintenance as an AASHTO guide and is in its publication pipeline. The delivery date should be this summer. The implementation project was approved through NCHRP and should occur this fall. Winter Weather Management is the co-host of these national briefings, as well as a number of other national, international, pooled funds, agencies, and nonprofit groups, and they will be available ahead of the AASHTO Committee on Maintenance meeting in July. Thank you for your attention.
All right. Hey, thanks, Brad, for the update. You can listen to all the briefings and other Talkin' Winter Ops episodes on our website, talkinwinterops.com, or wherever you get your podcast content. Video versions are available on Talkin' Winter Ops YouTube channel, and if a slide deck was used during this briefing, it's available through a link in the show notes, along with the presenter's email, so you can reach out and get more information. Thanks for listening in, and until next time, stay safe out there.